have to go slow.
Andrea, when you stop, the kids don't stop. Just so you know.
Good to know.
They keep walking.
Well, that's alright, because by the time they get over. Yeah. It'll be fun.
You're gonna look.
If they ruin it, everyone will laugh.
I know, it's not even that. It's just cute. They're cute, they're pretty, they'll look great.
That is so cute. Look at those pine needles.
I'm looking for snacks.
You want a snack? Okay, hold on 1 minute. Look at Aunt Michelle. She looks so pretty.
How are you, mister? How do you like
Perfect.
Perfect. That was the best one yet.
Oh, you mean if we did it one more time, we could even be better?
I don't think you can get better than perfection.
That's perfect, Michelle. We got one shot. We're not going to be able to do it 4 or 5 times. Kid jumps off the bridge, kid jumps off the bridge.
I'll try to refrain from doing this tomorrow.
Hmm?
I'm with you.